Welcome, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. We are here in Canada, Ottawa, the capital city, and we are experiencing like a major snowstorm. Oh my goodness, it's crazy out there. So if you guys are out on the road, just try to be safe. You know how it's a snow day. Most kids are not in school today. Like my kids were home, and of course they love the snow, and it don't matter to them, right? They enjoy it, they want the snow. And I'm going to do a little bit of shopping. Yes, in this weather we need some food, so I'm gonna buy myself a nice big Dutch pot, and of course some Jamaican food. So guys, stay tuned for more. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yes, if this is your first time tuning in, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So my mom is here from Jamaica, and so today we're gonna go on the road and do some shopping because from she come, she lock up in the house. She is afraid of the cold and the snow. So we're gonna bundle her up today, and we're gonna go out and do some shopping. Come with us. You're all set to go outside, Sister Cutie. Watch Cutie left our sunshine. Come up here in the cold. Yeah, she have on boot and jacket. Mickey, pick up your bag there, man. Yeah, so the kids had a snow day today, so I just let them stay home because there was no bus running or anything. So I'm like, no. Oh. And it looks like somebody there is like completely stuck in the snow. You can't back up. Yeah. Yes, Michaela. Let's. Are you sinking? Yeah, keep coming. It's it's a lot of snow. One more time and then push it all the way. Alright guys, is he gonna get out? The wheel is just turning and not moving. Go up guys, you can do it. Climb the hill, Mickey. Keep going, Mickey. Good job. Are you gonna slide down? Oh my God, Joe! Are you crazy? Was that fun? Yeah. Oh my God, look at me. I have snow inside my boots. Jesus. Guys, put more on it if you're gonna build a snowman. Put more, Mickey, more. Okay, Mickey, put the arms in. Yeah, and one on the other side. Good. Push it in. I need eyes, look. Okay, those are some big eyes. Okay, Mickey, good job. Okay. Let's get up. Let's get up. 1, 2, 3. Let's see your angel. It's right there, Mickey. Good job. You're cleaning up. Joe, you have to use the brush part. Turn the brush, yeah. Clean it like that, dude, yeah. So you have to come on the side. Come on the side. You come on the side because it has ice. You're gonna use this part of this to do the Yeah, look, it has to be flat down, yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay, Mickey, you're doing a great job, Mickey. Mickey wants to be a part of the cleaning too. Okay, good job, Mickey. They say we're on the road going to the supermarket, guys. Beauty and the snow. You gotta go do some grocery shopping, Mickey? Okay, go. Go. So they have ginger tea, don't they? Someone where you can get one ginger tea. The only ginger drink. That one, this one. Mickey, did you pick up anything yet? Did you see anything you like? No? We're buying eucalyptus alpha blessing because. What you say? Renter yam? Oh, you never know.
Nice man.
Oh, yeah? So, see if I can find piece of yam then, mommy. She said she want rent a yam. Okay. Okay. Oh, what we want in here is patty. Mickey, come with the all of the I go up and down with Come put you don't want your chicken patty? Here. No, they're not planting this week. They're planting but I'm gonna buy a bulla for right there because it's a bulla man. Mickey, what you buy, Mickey? Oh yeah, buy chocolate. One of the same biscuits. Okay, guys, let's see our big Dutch pot. Go find out how much this for them. Okay, so this is what we're getting here at the Jamaican store. The baby I hate months, so she has to help me.
I know you have to help me, but you wicked man. Very wicked. You wicked boy.
Oh, God. Yeah. Rice, yogurt. Last week I did like a big grocery. So this week I'm not doing. Just doing a little pickup, like, you know. I do. Chicken back, guys. You get to see chicken back. Yeah. We have chicken back, guys. We're in. So they have, so they have syrup. They say like the soursop one. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys, this pot is so big. This is like the biggest pot I have in the house. I can't wait to cook some good food. Oh yes, you know the family is extended with grandma here. And Blessing is loving her. She's Blessing new best friend. Blessing not paying me any mind.